All right, friends. So I'm going to show you how to trim your own brows at home. So one reason why we want to shape and trim the brows is because if you have brow hair that is going above where your natural brow is laying, when they fall back onto the brow, it creates a lot of fullness and a lot of texture. It's thick inside that brow. So we want to remove that hair. We want to make sure though that as we trim, just a small pair of cuticle shears or these are eyebrow shears, I believe Japanesque makes them, something that you can lay on the forehead. So as you're brushing up, you can easily just walk it and comb up. And then you want to make sure that you're brushing your naked spoolie, brush the brow hair down, and that you are trimming down here as well. Make sure that you kind of lift your chin up a little bit so that your eyelid can look down so that we don't get any lashes in where we are cutting there as well. The one thing that I want to remind you is that when you are brushing up and cutting, you want to cut not down right on top of the brow. You want to make sure that you're a little bit above it. So that way, as your brow hair lays down, it isn't too short. So we don't create a divot or a gap in the brow. So I promise this is a foolproof way. As long as you're brushing up and going a little bit above where the natural brow is, you will be fine. And brush down, trim that up as well. And then just softly comb and walk out your brow hair. It'll remove any of the small little brows from your eyebrow, and then you'll be set to fill them in.